Welcome to the birdhouse building bonanza. If you're tired of watching birds build their nests in your gutters or in your attic, then this video is for you. In just 9 easy steps, you can build a birdhouse that is not only beautiful to look at, but will also become a welcome and safe retreat for birds in your backyard. Who knows? Maybe you might even get some adorable chicks taking up residence there as well. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information that you need to start building your very own birdhouse today. So, let's get started. Step No. 1. Mark the wood. Using a pencil and a measuring tape, mark the center of the longer board on both edges. Then measure 3.5 inches from the center point on each side. This will be the base of your birdhouse. Mark the center of the shorter board. This will be the back of your birdhouse. I'm from a channel where we love helping you unleash your inner handy person. Remember to check that everything is still square. If needed, use a hammer to gently tap the pieces into place. Once everything is secured, apply some wood putty to hide the nail holes. Let the glue dry, according to the manufacturer's instructions. Securely attach the perches in place, using nails. You may need to drill pilot holes for this step. Remember, safety first. Make sure to wear safety glasses and gloves while doing this. Let the putty dry and your birdhouse is ready to be mounted in your yard. I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step guide and feel confident in your ability to build your own birdhouse. If you're eager to attract some winged wonders to your backyard, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. Share your thoughts, ask questions, or even post pictures of your finished bird. I can't wait to see what you've created. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on any of our fantastic DIY projects. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and until next time, happy birdhouse building and bird watching. These will help prevent the wood from splitting as you fasten it together. Just imagine the joy of watching birds fluttering in and out of their new home. But remember, before you hang your birdhouse, there are a few things to keep in mind. Firstly, choose a location that is safe and away from predators such as cats. A good spot could be near the top of a tree or on a pole in your garden. Ensure that the birdhouse is adequately secured and can withstand strong winds. Additionally, consider the type of birds you want to attract. Different species may have different preferences for height or proximity to trees. Researching the specific needs of your target birds can help you optimize the placement of your birdhouse. Remember to clean the birdhouse regularly to provide a healthy environment for the birds. Remove any debris or waste and disinfect the interior if necessary. This will help prevent the spread of diseases and parasites. By following these tips, you'll be able to provide a welcoming and safe haven for birds in your area. So grab your tools, gather your materials, and get ready to build. Your feathered friends will thank you for providing them with a cozy home. Place the 2 side pieces together, with the front and back piece, and use a drill to make pilot holes. Then remove the pieces, and do the same for the back and bottom piece. Don't forget to drill through both pieces at the same time. Now, you should have 4 pieces that look like this. Remember to double-check that all the corners are square. If you need to, you can use a square to ensure that each corner is a perfect 90 degrees. With over 20 years of hands-on experience, I've learned a few tricks along the way. And if you enjoy what you see, please hit that like button. Remember to wipe off any excess glue. We want to ensure a clean finish. It really helps me out. Let us start by going over the tools and materials that you'll need to get the job done. And here I share them with you so that you can tackle any project that you set your mind to. Measure 1.5 inches from the top of the front and back pieces and mark a line across. This will be the slope of your roof. Use a saw to cut along the marked line. Repeat this for the other side. Now apply wood glue to the top edges of the front and back pieces and attach the roof pieces. Securely fasten the roof pieces in place using nails. Again, be careful not to hit your fingers. Use a square to ensure the roof is even on both sides. After the glue has dried, use sandpaper to smooth out any rough edges. Safety glasses and a dust mask are recommended for this step. When I was a kid, my dad used to take me out into the backyard and show me how to make bird feeders and birdhouses from recycled materials. To this day, one of my favorite memories is seeing a purple martin nest with chicks just outside my bedroom window. Said SYI. Thrilled to share this video with you so that you can make some special memories with your family and friends as well. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now, when it comes to tools, you don't need anything fancy to get this project off the ground. Here's what you'll need: measuring tape, pencil, safety glasses, gloves, saw, drill, screwdriver, hammer, utility knife, and lastly, now trust me, this list might seem long, but it's totally doable, even if you're a beginner. You got this. Now let's talk about materials. For this project, you'll need 2 pieces of 3/4 inch thick wood, one measuring 12 inches by 8 inches, and the other 8 inches by 8 inches. You'll also need 6 wooden dowels, each measuring 7/8 inch in diameter and 3 inches in length. Lastly, grab some exterior wood glue, nails, and waterproof wood putty. Now these materials are not only easy to find, but they're also budget-friendly, so you don't have to break the bank to get started. Alright, now that we've gathered all our materials and tools, let's dive into the fun part: construction. Step 2. Cut the boards. Carefully, use a saw to cut along the marked lines. Step 3. Drill the pilot holes. Use a drill bit slightly smaller than the diameter of your nails to make pilot holes. Step 4. Add the glue. Apply wood glue to the edges that will be joined together. Step 5. Fasten the pieces together. Securely fasten the pieces together using nails. Be careful not to hit your fingers. Again, safety first. Step 6. Sand it smooth. Step 7. Let's add the roof. Step 8. Install the dowel perches. Position the dowel perches evenly on the inside of the birdhouse, leaving about 1 inch of space between each perch. Step 9. Finishing touches. Add a final coat of wood putty to the exterior of the birdhouse to give it a neat and polished look. And there you have it. You've successfully built your own birdhouse. Well, folks, we've come to the end of our birdhouse building adventure.